Good morning. Good morning. Let me pop out my chats for you guys. So if anybody has any questions, comments, concerns, wants to yell, scream, bitch, complain, feel free. Trump won the election, so they say. I believe it when he's in office. You know what I'm saying? I don't trust it. I don't trust it. But we'll see. We'll see. Sorry to be Debbie Downer here. I would like to have hope. Sorry to be Debbie Downer here. I would like to have hope. Sorry to be Debbie Downer here. Sorry to be Debbie Downer here. All right, let's cut this. Sorry to be Debbie Downer here. Mute that site. I can't do that shit. We can't do that shit. All right, pop this out. Woo, pop out chat. Put-dink. All right, we got to do our troll on Twitter. Let's launch this up. We got about 5 minutes before we could trade. Got a pretty good spread this morning, as a matter of fact, though. Overnight, we are pushing back up to the highs. Right in there, right? Is that all-time highs? This might be all-time high territory. This could be a scary day. What do we got? Like for trend-wise here. Let's see. Let's see. What do we got for a trend, right? We got a line that goes from here up like that. Yeah, I'll give that a trend line. I'll say that's a trend line. I don't know if I can get that in the hourly. Might be able to get something on the 5-minute here. Definitely have a trend line coming up on the 5. I think it's the same trend, though. It is. It is, but we'll draw it in on the 5. All right, we'll keep it in there. Looks fairly strong. Let's extend this out. Make that array. Apply that. Save. All right, and what do we got on the minute? I don't think we got much on the minute. We got the MAC, the VWAP, right? The VWAP acted good around here, around the AMs. Morning of the AMs, we're making sure it's set in the right position here. We don't want any fimbles or fumbles, right? Want to blow this up. So we're going to be playing off lines today. That's it. I'm just going to play off lines. Nothing else. I'm not going to jump into risky trades. I'm just going to play off bounces off lines, right? Let's see how that works for us today. Let's see how it works. So we got a multitude of lines we can play off of. Right. You know, I want the 100 and the 200 here too. I want to see those lines as well. So let's get those charts up. And again, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. First time. Make sure to follow, like, subscribe. Do what you got to do. Hit the buttons you got to hit. All right. I'm both on Twitch and YouTube. Twitch and YouTube. Okay. What the fuck am I looking for here? Was it this? Oh, yeah, it was this. See, I really like this thing here. So I want to keep that. So I'm going to go to... I'm going to change this to candles. Okay, the morning started. Not yet, not yet. No, we want to go back to where we were. Right, we want nothing. We want a blank slate here. Just like that. All right, we want these at 13. Apply, save. I do like this chart. I don't know if I'll use it, but I do like it. So on here, I'm going to put my 100 and 200 up on here. No, that's on the 1 minute. Do I want it on the 1 minute or do I want it on the 5 minute? I'm going to put it on the 5 minute chart here. The 1 hour chart is good. You know what? We're going to switch the 1 hour chart over to here. Next, I want the 1 hour chart. I want that chart. I can keep that chart as well. We don't want this up here. Right, so we got that. We got the 1 hour. I would actually like to switch these if I can. Go that way. So we got the 1 hour there. I got the 5 minute here. Right, in the 5 minute, we're going to have the moving average cross. We're going to be looking at that, and we're also going to be looking at the. I'm going to add a couple more here. I want to add a couple more moving averages at the 200 and the 100. 200, and we'll make the 200. 200 will be yellow. Save. No, 200 will be purple. Save. Did that not give me the 200? Is it the 200 just non-existent on the fucking thing? Simple moving average. 200. Purple. Safe. Safe. There it is. There's the 200, and we want the 100 too, and we'll have that in yellow. Right, and this 1 hour look here, we'll get over here. Yeah, I might as well look at the daily too, right? We might as well throw up the fucking daily. We'll get that added to our chart here. We're going to add a lot of things here. I feel it. I feel it coming. I want to make informed decisions. I don't know what the hell just happened there. I don't like it. I don't like what I just did there. We wanted to bring this back to the daily. Or the 1 hour. Yeah, there we go. I want to keep that. We don't need the daily, right? We got the 1 hour. That's enough. I'm kind of holding on there. Holding on to love. I could get this line as well from here. Up across here. Right now, can I take this line from further back on here? I probably could. Let's get this line all the way down to here. All right, and that's where we are in the 5 minute with that line, right? So we got that line there. I'm going to just cinch it up. There we go. We got our VWAP there. Right, we got the 200 moving average there. So these are the lines I'm going to play, right? What about the 100? Let's get that in there too. That's another line that I'll look at playing. Another line I'll look at playing again. Good morning. Good morning to everybody who's at the stream. On both Twitch and YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe. Throw me a smiley face. Do something. Ask a damn question. Be part of the reality of America today. Okay, so that 100's actually like right up in that shit too, right? We're right in that 100. I don't really see the 100 being a strong bounce area. I mean, it did bounce off it here and there. So we'll kind of look. We'll kind of look. We do have a moving average cross to the downside. Right, we are open this morning, right? Yep, we are open finally. Let's take a look at our news for today. See if we got anything news-wise happening. Crude inventories, and that's it. We are good all day. We're in the clear all day. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be tracking this here, but we might. We might. Okay, we're going to be pushing up to the high there. And we're pushing past it. And we're off. We're off to the races. Open this up a little bit. We want this to be about a 5 gap. Gives me a good indication of where I got to turn around and stuff. We are gone, people. We are fucking gone here. We're fucking goddamn gonzo. Gonzo. Gonzo beans. Goodbye. Okay, we got the moving average cross to the upside. I'll be a buyer right here, maybe. Right? Okay, so we're playing the kind of a bounce off this position if it happens. Right, we're seeing that as old support. That's the old high there, this area. Let's hold off on this trade right now, but that would be my call. That would have been my call. Let's see. Here's it's with the fives, right? So we got the 5 second here, or the 5. Let's see how we did. That would have been a good call, right? I would have got something out of that, but we didn't do it. We didn't do it. Not gonna hold my breath. Not gonna hold my breath. Not gonna freak out. I don't know if it's gonna continue down or come back up. I'm gonna say it's gonna come back up.
Order filled.
We're in. We shouldn't be in. I fucked up. Maybe not. I'm going to sell market here. Zero reason to lose money, guys. Zero reason to lose money. We are up $480. Zero reason to lose money. Let's lock in some more there. We're holding on to it. Got a lot of room here I'm playing with. Let's lock in some more. Okay, we're going to watch this kind of a little bit over here, see what it does. We do got to adjust these. I want...
Stop filled.
All right, we're out. We're out. We're out for a hefty profit this morning. Right off the get-go. It was a pretty easy one. 147 on this account, 23. All right, so trade for 147. That's good. That's good. Let's see what we got in play here. We got this account in play. This account is in trouble, but it's up a little bit now, and this account. So we were up on all accounts. I should have taken the original trade, right? That was the call. It was good. It was a good call. Maybe a buy here. Let me get that down to 5. Just 5. We don't want to have a lot of loss if this happens, right? So we're looking for a potential bounce right here. So I'm going to put a buy right here and to sell right here. And let's see what happens. See if we get down to these limits, right? Yeah, it looks like we didn't push down here. But I'm still going to hold that. That's my bounce there. That'll be my bounce. We'll try to get 10, 20 out of it, you know. We are oversold pretty strongly. We are continuing to trend on the hourly. This is still going up. Like, I could have just stayed right in this, right? Theoretically, but we still want to keep our stuff kind of tight. We got a good spinning top here. I could reverse here. I could sell. I'm not going to jump into it, though. Let's not jump into it. Let's get over to one of our better accounts here. Go over to 23. Go over to 23. Let me get over here and let everybody on the planet know I'm live trading. Okay, all All right, so we want to go over to my page here really quick. Again, nothing going on. Still sticking with where I'm currently at for my buy. Still like my buy spot. What do we got here? We still got a little bit of upwards movement, it looks like, that we can go. You know, I might play this line here. Let's see if I can find this on the... I don't know if I'll be able to mirror this. Is that this line? Yeah, I don't feel like I can mirror that line I got on there. Alright, I'm still happy with my buy right here. Right, but if we get a rotation here, that would kind of be expected too. We had a real strong candle, people taking profits. This is all expected. All expected. Go over to my channel here really quick. Got my live going. Go over to my channel here really quick. Got my live going. Live going. I'm going to mute this site. And we're going to copy this and paste it over there. Is this a good turnaround point for me? No. I'd like it to be a little higher here. So I'm not going to jump in on this doji. There is about a 20-point play there, but I still like my buy down here. I still like that buy. So we come down to that area, I'll be in. Right, because right now that's the current wick test we got. So I'm going to go back over to Twitch here, or Twitter. Let's get this going. Alright, let's control copy this. We're going to post this. Then we're going to do this one more time for Twitch. For all the Twitch followers. We're going to get that posted, and hopefully we get some action today, right? Hopefully we get some peoples. Let's get some peoples. Let's get some holla. Holla, holla, holla. Peoples. Oh, liking. I'm liking. Just going to kind of keeping track here. We're looking for that buyback over here, right? I'm looking for that wick test. Looking for that wick test. What else are we looking for here? We're copying that. We're bringing that over here. And we're putting that over here. Holla. Control V. There we go. We are good, guys. We are good. We're 147.50 up. We're looking to get to 500 today. Nice win. We're just paying attention to what's going on. If this doji's on the 5, I might be a seller. Again, it's not at the high that I would like. But we are pretty extended here. Pretty extend-a-ho. Extend-a-ho, get it? Extend-a-ho. Those in that know backos know the extend-a-ho. They know the extended ho. Alright. We're still working our way down. We've got a tight little window here. Let me just make sure I'm still good with this. So this would be right there to right there, okay? And this might be a quick trade of 10 points. Maybe we'll just do that, right? 10 points locks us in $100. Right, over all the accounts, it locks us in 250 or about 240. Okay, we're coming down here. Kind of what we were talking about. Not seeing anything that's like pressing at the moment. I do want to see my drawdown though. My max drawdown is 2 something. Okay, here we go. Do we hit it? Do we hit it? That's the question. Do we hit it? Do we blow through it? I don't know. I think that was the trade right there. All right, but let's give it one more shot. One more shot. I just want to get 10 out of this.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get our 10. Nope. Okay, let's not lose, okay?
Order filled.
I took it off right there. I took it off. It was too much bouncing for me. Wasn't happy with it. Took it off. Took a very small loss there at $2.50. Right, who knows if I stuck with it. It's coming down though, right? There we go. Look at that. We lost it. We lost that. That was my next trade spot. Where do we go from here? Got a lot of activity coming in. Is there anything? I'm okay with a buy
Order
market
filled.
here with a sell right here.
Stop filled.
I paid for that instantaneously and just probably lost most of my profit. Dumb bastard. Do it again.
Order filled.
I'm about to fucking lose it again, aren't I?
Order filled.
I blew one account right there.
Stop filled.
I'm done for the day, guys. God damn it. I already reached my max drawdown, right? Like I just shot myself in the foot. Guys, that's so frustrating. That's so frustrating, right? I don't want to be done. Like right here, I'm going to buy. I'm just going to fucking go for it. Guns a-blazing. Right at the end of this candle, I'm going to buy.
Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled.
So what was my logic there? My logic was I'm being stupid. No, fuck it. Fuck it. I'm bumping this one up today. We're gonna go for the gusto today. Fuck it, right? Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go. Throwing caution to the wind. We're gonna increase this to 500 today. Done. I'm only gonna be trading this one account. Oh, you know what? I don't think that matters. Right, 5, and we're going to change this to 23. No, we don't want the whole thing here. We just want...
Order filled.
I'm going to sell here, but I'm going to ride this up. I'm going to give us a little bit more room.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, guys, I am being stupid. I need to back away. Back away. You need to calm down a little bit. All right, what did I say to myself? I said I was only going to trade the lines, right? So let's only trade the lines. Above here we want to buy. All right, and that's it, right? So we break back above that, I'm going to buy. Break above that, I'm going to buy. Don't know which way it's going to go here. We are coming down to this point.
Order filled.
Am I going to lose again? Like for real? For real, I'm not good at this thing anymore. Do not do what I'm doing right now. This is like revenge trading. Right, but I'm just tired of getting my ass smacked here. All right, I'm hoping for a continue up here a little bit. I'm just going to stay. Zero reason to lose money. Let's gain just a little bit. If we're going to lose, we might as well gain a little bit.
Stop filled.
You know, guys, I'm just going to call it. I blew it. But I don't want to give up either. You know, like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Just my trading sucks. What am I doing wrong lately? What am I not seeing? Like, here should be a buy market, right?
Order filled.
I see the buy market here. I see that. Right, I see that this should be a buy market. Maybe I'm just gonna stick to. I gotta find a happy medium here. We did come back to that line. I am expecting a pull up here, right? And then we just ride this wave here on our thing, right? I mean, it's not hard. God, that just ate all that up, right? No, I'm going to trust that original plan, but I'm going to get in more selectively. Projected down is going to be purple. Save. Like, I don't know what's going on right now. I have no idea. We're finding support here. I heard a beep. Did I just blow another account as well? I just have to stop being stupid. I gotta stop it. Okay, we're back up to a profit here. Rejected my order, that's what it did. Okay, let's not lose money.
Stop filled.
If we get above here, I'm a buyer again. I'm also a buyer on the VWAP. Now, if I just went with my original plan here, I would have kicked ass, right? Maybe I just gotta go back to the original plan. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I'm trying to add more to this, and I think I'm making it more complicated than it has to be. So how much is 5 points? 8 is 2, right? $20 is 5. Apply and save. So if 20 is 5, let's redo this plan a little bit. I still like this plan. I'm really in love with the plan, right? So let's take a look. Let's do 10. No. 12 or 13. Save. Okay, we're gonna sell market right here. But we're coming into that VWAP and we're finding resistance here, so let's see. If I make this 20, all right, so, and then my stop is always the next one out. All right, so right now I'm going to buy market.
Order filled.
And my stop is here. I'm just going to hold on to it. Realistically, I could just pull this right over here. select, and then we need Renko here. Oh, I'm making a goddamn mess. The Renko chart. 10, apply, save. That's 15 minute. We want the 1 minute. Purple is red. This one's yellow. Apply, save. Alright, so right now my stop needs to move up. Alright, where will my stop be here? I don't know. Because I don't have the crosshair. Global crosshair. Alright. So my current stop is where? My initial stop is 1 below. Right? Then we just carry this up. So we're going to just keep going. My initial stop is 1 below. We don't take any more than the 5, right? This is 10.
Stop filled.
All right, we took that. We're coming back down. But until we pop red, I don't give it to it. Right, so let's kind of see. We did bounce off that line. We got a double bottom. Back up over 80. I can get rid of, remove that. Allowing 10. No, 2 blocks down. I want to allow 5, so apply, save. Okay, here I'm going to sell market.
Order filled.
Right, and we're allowing 10. So my buy is there. So let's see what happens. Let's see how this works out. We want to keep it 10 behind at all times after it closes, right? See, I need this line over here. There we go. So now I could see it. It's too far down. Just like that. That's where we stay. So if I can move this over to here, All right, and just trade this chart. Maybe I'll do that. We do not buy until we get the close, right? I'm going back to this strategy. The other strategy is just not working. Going back to this one, but with a tighter stop margin here.
Stop filled.
All right, we got our stop filled, so that's it, right? If we pop a green here, we can go. Right, but for right now, we do nothing. Do nothing. If we pop a green, we'll buy into it. We did not pop anything, so nothing changed. We have not changed. We are showing some red again. I mean, I could still technically be in this, but I got to cut my losses too, right? So I got to make this worthwhile. I got to make this worthwhile somehow. We're continuing down. Like, I don't want anything until we change direction. That's what I'm looking at here. Let's add let's make this 5. So until we get a green here, I'm not doing nothing. That's how it works. Until I get a green, I am not doing nothing. Then I'm going 2 below it for a stop. That's how I'm looking at this right now. All right, we're tightening up the stops. We're making smaller gains, not necessarily catching the big ones, but sometimes we get a good one. So I'm back into this world of whatever. Make 500 or lose 500, right? Make 500 or lose 500. We going to be a buy market here? No. And let's I want to see this as well. So we are doing the buy market thing a little bit. Just kind of keep that in mind. It's having a hard time. It's having a hard time. Right, we're at buy market, and then we put our stop in. Right? That's exactly how this goes. So we are hitting that now. kind of decision time, really. But the buyers are in force here.
Order filled.
All right, and I go 2 below this, so sell market right here. Now we just hold on for the ride.
Stop filled.
We got stopped out. No big deal. No big deal. All right, if this turns red, we go down. If it does not turn red, we do not. It's giving us some more green vibes here.
Order filled.
I'm going to get in right here. I'm going to sell market right here. I think we're going to keep going up. Maybe I should stop thinking. All right, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to stop right there. I'm leaving with a little bit of a profit, but it's not because of skill. You know what I'm saying? This was a clusterfuck today. Clusterfuck, I did blow one account. One account, I'm down $100. And this account is blown. And this account here is up 200 or up 100 and something dollars, but it's not because of skill again. So what did I learn today? I don't really know what I learned. I don't know what I learned. I got to come up with a strategy and stick to the strategy. It's just so hard. It is, because strategies work a little bit here and there, and then they just never follow through. You know, they just never follow through. But anyway, that's it, guys. I will catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.